Jet is fully committed to quality, innovation, and service. Each and every product is designed to empower woodworkers to do more in their craft. That's why Jet is proud to introduce the 1020 Benchtop Drum Sander, the latest addition to Jet's robust drum sander line.
Hey, this is Stevie at Built by Stevie, and I love this Jet Benchtop sander. I'm able to do 20 inches wide and 3 inches deep worth of sanding. Another added bonus of this Benchtop drum sander is you're able to put a 4-inch dust hose that collects all the fine dust in my shop. When sanding wider boards, it's easy to get back to parallel with the parallelism adjuster. When changing out different grits of sandpaper, it's super easy with the toolless clips. Another added feature is the variable speed. It allows you to go from slow to fast depending on what you're sanding. This helps whenever I'm doing multiple pieces of wood if I want to go faster or slower depending on what project I'm doing. This sander has a 1 horsepower motor as well as a pull-through conveyor belt. For more information, go to jettools.com.
Following strict guidelines and electrical requirements, the Jet 1020 Benchtop Drum Sander is proudly backed by Jet's 3-year warranty. Visit jettools.com to learn more and locate a dealer near you.